Pleasant afternoon, dear grade 3 learners, parents, friends, and to all listeners in Z Radio 88.5. How are you today? Glad to hear that. Here we are again for another lesson in Mathematics 3. Once again, this is Teacher Kim, your teacher in Mathematics 3, always at your service. To start our discussion for today, please find yourself a comfortable place and prepare all the materials needed for today's lesson, like modules, ballpen, extra sheets of paper, and of course, yourself. If you're ready, just clap your hands once and say, "Teacher, I'm ready." So are you ready? All right, because Teacher Kim is also very ready. First, let us have a drill. I want you to find the quotient of the following factors and solve them mentally. Are your papers and ballpens ready? All right, let's start our activity. Number 1. What is 50 divided by 5? Good! The answer is 10. How about 125 divided by 25? Very well! The answer is 5. Lastly, I want you to listen carefully to this problem and find the answer as quick as possible. If I have 300 packs of biscuits and I'm giving them equally among 10 groups, how many packs of biscuits were left? What is your answer? Very good. There are 5 packs of biscuits left. Why do you think 5 is the answer for our last question? Yes, it is because when we divide 305 packs of biscuits by 10 groups equally, each group will receive 30 and there will be 5 packs left. The 5 packs left are what we called remainder. Remainder is the final undivided part after division that is less or of lower degree than the divisor. So, when we say divisor, what does it mean? Very good! Divisor is a number by which dividend is divided. In our number sentence, which is 305 divided by 10 is equal to n, what is the divisor? Correct! The divisor is 10. How about 305? What do you call it? You're right. We call it dividend. Dividend is the number to be divided. And of course, the number represented by n is the quotient. Very good, learners. Well, it is good to hear that you remember our previous lesson. And now, let me introduce to you our topic this afternoon. Our lesson is all about solving problems involving division. In this lesson, you will be able to understand the steps in solving problems involving division, solves routine and non-routine problems involving division of 2 to 4-digit numbers by 1 to 2-digit numbers without or with any of the other operations of whole numbers, including money, and appreciates the value of solving problems involving division using other operations. So, learners, are you ready? Good to hear. But before we proceed with our thorough discussion of the topic, let us first listen to a story.
Since the month of February has come, 𝗧𝗲 thought of something she could do to express her love towards her family. So she decided to buy chocolates for them.
I'm home, Mom.
What did you buy, Zai?
I bought some chocolates, Mom. I wanted to give something for my friends.
Wow, that is so thoughtful of you, Zai.
Thank you, Mom. I bought 3 packs of chocolates. Each pack has 24 pieces, and I need to divide it by 4. What should I do, Mom?
Well, first, open each pack and add all the chocolate, Zai.
If I will add all the chocolates, it will be 24 plus 24 plus 24. The total is 72, Mom.
Very good. The next thing you should do is to divide it by 4. Remember, divide it equally.
Yes, Mom. Mom, I'm done dividing and there's nothing left.
You're right, Zai. Because 72 is a multiple of 4, meaning you can equally divide 72 by 4. So, how many chocolate each of your friends should have?
It's 18, Mom.
Very good. You can give your friends 18 chocolates each.
Wow! Thank you for helping me, Mom. And this is for you.
You're welcome and thank you, Zai. I thought this was for your friends.
Not everything, Mom. I bought this for you, Dad, Grandma, and for my friend Doreen.
You're so kind, darling.
This is all thanks to you and Dad, Mom. Thank you for always loving me.
Of course, as your mom, I will always love you and your dad. Anyway, I heard that your RBI lesson for today is all about solving problems involving division. So, get ready and prepare the things you needed.
All right, Mom.
So 𝗧𝗲 turned on the radio and listened as Teacher Kim discusses another lesson.
In solving problems involving division, there are steps that we must follow in order to come up with a correct answer. First, read and understand the problem. What is asked in the problem? What are the given facts? And what is the hidden information? Second, plan what to do. What are the operations to be used? And what is the number sentence? Third, solve the problem. Do the required operation. What is the complete answer? Now let us to answer this problem. Colleen has 48 pesos. She wants to buy handkerchiefs for her sister. If each handkerchief costs 15 pesos, how many handkerchiefs can she buy with her money? How much change will she get? Let us study carefully and solve this problem. To solve this problem, let us follow the steps. First, read and understand the problem. So what is asked in the problem? Yes! The problem asks for the total handkerchief Colleen can buy and the remaining change she will get. What are the given facts? Good! Colleen's money, 48 pesos. Each handkerchief costs 15 pesos. Second, plan what to do. So, what are the operations to be used? Excellent! The operations to be used are division and subtraction. Division is used in finding the number of handkerchiefs Colleen could buy. Subtraction is used in finding the change Colleen will get. And what is the number sentence? Alright, the number sentence is 48 divided by 15 is equal to n. The remainder will be the change Colleen will get. And now, let us have a short break. And when we come back, we will continue the steps in solving problems involving division.
The Radyo Z-eskwela program of the Division of Davao de Oro is being brought to you by Nueda Builders Construction and Supply Incorporated, Maverick Builders Incorporated, Mitch Construction and Supply, Archicons Architectural Construction and Supply, DB Construction and Supply, Hanaway Builders Corporation, Phoenix 𝗕𝗲𝗿𝗆𝗆 Gasoline Station, Master Construction and Supplies, Mackenzie Builders, GP&H Construction Incorporated, Metro Gear Construction Corporation, NEN Builders and Development Services Corporation, Max Mays Enterprises Incorporated, We Inc. Construction Company, Rangay Construction and Supply, East Sussex Enterprise, WM Construction, Councilor Boogie and Miss Marjorie Vertodazo, Icon Builders and Supply, and Apex Mining Company Incorporated.
And we are back! Grade 3 learners, are you still there? Good to hear. Now let us continue the activity we had a while ago. What is the third step? The third step is to solve the problem and do the required operation. What is the complete answer? Very good! Colleen can buy 3 handkerchiefs and her change is 3 pesos. Lastly, check the answer. Do the reverse operation. If we multiply 15 pesos by 3, the product is 45 pesos. Then add 3 pesos change, then we can get 48 pesos. Therefore, our answer is correct. Remember to follow the steps in solving problem, because this will serve as your guide in finding the correct answer. Prepare your paper and pencil or ballpen and let's answer this together. Here is another example. Mang Martu gathered 16 baskets of eggs from his chicken poultry. Each basket contained 24 eggs. He placed all the eggs in small trays, which could only hold 6 eggs each. How many trays were there in all? Let us study carefully and solve the word problem. To answer this problem, we need to follow these steps. First, read and understand the problem. Now let us find what is asked in the problem. Alright, the problem asked for the total number of trays. Then what are the given facts? Right, we have 16 baskets of eggs, 24 eggs per basket, trays which could hold 6 eggs. And what is the hidden information? Correct! The hidden information is the total number of eggs harvested. Second, let us plan what to do. So what are the operations to be used? Awesome! The operations to be used are multiplication and division. Multiplication is used in finding the total number of eggs harvested. Division is used in finding the number of trays. And what will be our number sentence? The number sentence is 24 times 16 divided by 6 is equal to n. Third, let us solve the problem and do the required operation. If we multiply 24 by 16, the product will be 384. Then let us divide it by 6 and we will get... So what is the complete answer? Excellent! There were 64 trays in all. Very good, learners! 1 star for the correct answer. Do you want another example? Alright, let us solve another word problem. Is first grades in mathematics from 1st to 4th grading periods are 88, 90, 93, and 97 respectively. How much higher is the 4th grading period grade than the average grade? First, read and understand the problem. Now let us find what is asked in the problem. Alright, the problem asks for the difference between the 4th grading period grade and the average grade. Then, what are the given facts? Right! We have the grades in mathematics: 88, 90, 93, and 97. And what is the hidden information? Correct! The hidden information is the sum of the grades and the average grade. Second, let us plan what to do. So what are the operations to be used? Awesome! The operations to be used are addition, division, and subtraction. We use addition to find the sum of the grades. When the sum of these grades is divided by the number of grading periods, we get the average. We use subtraction to find the difference between the 4th grading period grade and the average grade. And what will be our number sentence? Through these operations, we can come up with our number sentence, which is 88 plus 90 plus 93 plus 97 divided by 4 minus 7 is equal to n. Third, let us solve the problem and do the required operation. If we add 88 plus 90 plus 93 plus 97, and we can get the sum of 368. Divide it by 4, then we can have 92. Subtract 92 from 97, and we can get... So what is the complete answer? Excellent! The 4th grading period is higher than the average grade by 5. I am so glad that you answered the problem correctly. Another star for a job well done. For our last example, let us solve this word problem. Elise has 14 illustration boards. In addition, she spent 144 pesos buying extra boards worth 9 pesos each. How many illustration boards does she have now? First, read and understand the problem. Now let us find what is asked in the problem. All right. The problem asks for the total illustration boards Elise have. Then, what are the given facts? Right! We have 14 illustration boards, 144 pesos for buying extra boards worth 9 pesos each. And what is the hidden information? Correct! The hidden information is the total number of extra illustration boards. Second, let us plan what to do. So what are the operations to be used? Awesome! The operations to be used are division and addition. Division is used in finding the extra illustration boards. Addition is used in finding the total number of illustration boards Elise have in all. And what will be our number sentence? The number sentence is 14 plus 144 divided by 9 is equal to n. Third, let us solve the problem and do the required operation. If we divide 144 by 9, the extra illustration boards will be 16. Then add 14 illustration boards and we will get... So what is the complete answer? Excellent! Elise have a total of 30 illustration boards. Another star for the correct answer. Very good!
Now let us go back with the story and see if 𝗲𝗏 also made a 𝗕𝗲𝗿.
So did he learn something today?
Yes, Mom. I learned the steps in solving problems involving division. It is hard, but I understand it well. It amazes me that it involves a lot of operations, like addition, subtraction, and even multiplication.
Yes, 𝗲𝗏. That is why it is important to follow the steps that serve us as your guide. So, can you give me the steps?
Yes, Mom. First is to read and understand the problem. Find what is asked. What are the given facts and the hidden information?
Aha! What about the second?
Second is to plan what to do. What are the operations to be used and the number sentence. Then, we can find the complete answer.
Wow! Very good, 𝗲𝗏. I guess you can solve problems involving division now.
Yes, Mom. I know I can. All thanks to you and Teacher Kim's help.
I am glad, 𝗲𝗏. That is why I prepared your favorite snack.
Thank you, Mom. You're the best.
Well, 𝗲𝗏 also made a great job, just like you, learners. So I guess you are already ready to answer the problems by yourself right now.
Now it's your turn. Practice what you have just learned. Answer this problem using the steps I taught you. Get your paper and pen. Are you ready? All right. Mang Jose harvested 96 mangoes. He distributed them equally in 8 baskets. If a mango costs 11 pesos, how much is the cost of a basket of mangoes? Do it now and follow the steps that I taught you, because after a short break, we will find out if your answer is correct.
The Radyo Z-eskwela program of the Division of Davao de Oro is being brought to you by 𝗬𝗏𝗏 Builders Construction and Supply Incorporated, Maverick Builders Incorporated, Mitch Construction and Supply, Archicons Architectural Construction and Supply, DB Construction and Supply, Hanaway Builders Corporation, Phoenix 𝗕𝗲𝗿𝗆𝗆𝗿 Gasoline Station, Master Construction and Supplies, Mackenzie Builders, GP&H Construction Incorporated, Metro Gear Construction Corporation, NEN Builders and Development Services Corporation, Max Mays Enterprises Incorporated, We Inc. Construction Company, Rangay Construction and Supply, East Sussex Enterprise, WM Construction, Councilor Boogie and Miss Marjorie Vertodazo, Icon Builders and Supply, and Apex Mining Company Incorporated.
And we are back. And now, let us check your answer for this question. Mang Jose harvested 96 mangoes. He distributed them equally in 8 baskets. If a mango costs 11 pesos, how much is the cost of a basket of mangoes? Let's check. First, what is asked in the problem? Correct! The problem asked for the total cost of a basket of mangoes per basket. Next, what are the given facts? Yes, the given facts are 96 mangoes, 8 baskets. Each mango costs 11 pesos. And what is the hidden information? Alright, the hidden information is the total number of mangoes in each basket. How about the operation to be used? Of course, we will use division and multiplication. We use division to find the number of mangoes in each basket. We use multiplication to find the total cost of a basket of mangoes. So what is the number sentence? Awesome! The number sentence is 11 times 96 divided by 8 is equal to n. And now, solve for the answer and perform the given operation. Finally, what is the complete answer? Excellent! The total cost of a basket of mangoes is 132 pesos. Very good, learners. Now, can you tell me the steps in solving problem involving division? Yes, very good. In solving problems involving division, these are the steps that we must follow in order to come up with a correct answer. First, read and understand the problem. What is asked in the problem? What are the given facts? And what is the hidden information? Second, plan what to do. What are the operations to be used? And what is the number sentence? Third, solve the problem. Do the required operation. What is the complete answer? It is important to know these steps in order for you to solve certain problems which can also be applied in our daily lives. Congratulations to our learners for achieving this lesson well. For your evaluation, answer the assessment, and additional activities of your module. You can submit your answer to your teacher in your respective schools. I hope you enjoyed our lesson for today. Please continue studying and answering the activity of your module. Ask assistance from your parents or guardians in doing your activity. Thank you for listening. Once again, this is Teacher Kim, your teacher in Mathematics 3. Be safe, everyone, and God bless us all.
Radyo Z-eskwela Executive Committee. The School's Division Superintendent, 𝗕𝗲𝗿𝗆𝗆 V. Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. 𝗕𝗲𝗆𝗆𝗆𝗿. OIC Curriculum Implementation Division Chief, Karina S. Frasco. School Governance and Operations Division Chief, Dr. Ruben J. Riponte. Members: Cecilia Morales, Dr. Hilda A. Opeña, Dr. Arlene B. Lim, Dr. Eldecris B. Calzadora, Dr. Dexter A. Siquinia, Nohara O. Pinute, Noemi P. Canales, Dr. Grace D. Pontillas, Virgilito C. Pabrices, Juanito Lapiceros, Engineer Norberto S. Manlangit, Jomar M. Dumupoy, Bob Daylan S. Milabat, Medard T. Ampit, and Paz Eugenia Villusino. Technical Working Committee, Productions and Communications, Lorely E. Quijano, Given G. Hinampas, Judyland D. Yu, Donna D. Bolfer, Mary Rose N. Resma, Riven Manuel, Irene Lea C. Manguhon, and Bessie Aya N. Banias. Social Media and Packaging Team, Christian Anhara L. Martesio, William R. Ranara, Joan T. Iscoton, Roberto S. Acusar Jr., May B. Istaniol, Richard H. Arellano, Lee L. S. Blanco, Ralph A. Tabanyag, Angelo Gutierrez Jr., and Jade Karen Araiz.